Hello children, hope you all are fine. Let us discuss about the topic mechanism of the monsoon. The climate of India is strongly influenced by the monsoon wind. Monsoon refers to the seasonal reversal of the wind direction. The monsoon came to India and the wind system reverses completely. This phenomena was first noticed by the sailors who came to India in historic time. This wind system helped the sailors sail the boat due to the wind direction. Look at the figure. You can see the sailors sail the boat due to the wind direction. The Arabs who had come to India as traders named this seasonal reversal of the wind system monsoon. Dear children, the monsoons are experienced in the tropical area roughly between 20 degree north and 20 degree south. Okay. 20 degree north and 20 degree south. To understand the mechanism of the monsoon, some facts are important. Let us discuss about it. First one, the differential heating and cooling of land and water. This creates low pressure on the landmass of India, while the seas around experience comparatively high pressure during daytime. I repeat, low pressure on the landmass, high pressure on the seas. But this is reversed during night time. Second point, the shift of the position of Intertropical Convergence Zone, ITCZ. What is ITCZ? The Intertropical Convergence Zone is a broad trough of low pressure. Okay, broad trough of low pressure in equatorial latitude. Here you can see ITCZ. It is a low pressure trough. This is where the northeast and southeast trade wind converge. The shift of the position of Intertropical Convergence Zone in summer over the Ganga plain. Normally, this ITCZ positioned about 5 degree north of the equator. Here you can see 5 degree. Okay. Actually, this ITCZ positioned about 5 degree north of equator. It is shifted from this position to the Ganga plain. It is also known as monsoon trough during the monsoon season. Next point, the presence of high pressure area east of Madagascar. Here you can see Madagascar. The presence of high pressure area approximately at 20 degrees south over the Indian Ocean. The intensity and position of this high pressure area affect the Indian monsoon. We studied that the wind moves from high pressure area to low pressure area. When the wind blows from sea to land, it carries moisture and causes rainfall. Next, the Tibetan Plateau gets intensively heated. The Tibetan Plateau and the south of the Himalaya get intensively heated during summer, which result in the strong vertical air currents and the formation of low pressure over the plateau. Okay, so the low pressure created there so that the wind move from the high pressure to low pressure area causes monsoon. Next, the movement of westerly jet stream to the north of the Himalayas and the presence of the tropical easterly jet stream over the Indian peninsula during summer. Dear students, already we discussed about the westerly jet streams and easterly jet stream. Dear children, I would like to wind up this session. Today we have discussed about the mechanism of the monsoon. URL related to this topic is attached. Watch the URL. Notes and test questions are also attached. Attend the test paper. We can meet in the next session. Bye children.